Wait, did I just put Swiss cheese in my lasagna? Before you judge, this one cheesy twist might be the best thing that's ever happened to pasta. Stay till the end. You have to see the final cheese pull. Do you want 20 delicious lasagna recipes? Download them free in the link below. Here's what you'll need. Lasagna noodles, garlic, butter, ricotta, Swiss cheese. Yep, Swiss, mozzarella, Parmesan, and just a little something creamy. Oh, and one magic step that transforms everything. I'll spill it soon. With a quick white sauce, garlic, butter, a little flour, then stir in the milk until silky. Next, layer like this. Sauce, noodles, ricotta mix, shredded cheese. Oh, and the Swiss? We'll talk about that twist in just a sec. Repeat your layers, make it pretty, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until bubbly. But hold up. If you skip one step before baking, you'll end up with dry lasagna every time. Do you want 20 free lasagna recipes? Click the link in bio to get these recipes. Okay, real talk. Here's where most lasagna recipes go sideways. Mistake 1. Skipping the 15-minute rest. Big no-no. Mistake 2. Over-saucing. This turns your dish into a soupy mess. Mistake 3. Not mixing your ricotta with something creamy. And yes, we're about to fix that one right now. Here it is, the game changer. Swiss cheese plus a splash of heavy cream in your ricotta mix. It melts smoother, stretches like mozzarella, and gives the whole thing a mild, nutty flavor chefs love. Oh, and never forget, rest it before slicing. It sets everything and gives you that satisfying cheese pull. Now that's how you level up lasagna. Want the exact recipe and step-by-step breakdown? It's all on my blog. Click the link below. And don't forget to grab my free download with 20 crave-worthy lasagna recipes.